This video is part 2 of my pool popped out, installing the rebar. The first thing we have to do is clean the shell. Drill holes around the perimeter of the pool for the rebar supports. Cut the rebar. There's 5-foot sections of 3/8 and 8-foot sections, and the 1/2-inch rebar was cut 6 inches. The corners would get the 8-foot 3/8, and it would be bent manually, as you can see. There's a 1/2-inch rebar around the perimeter tied to the supports. That perimeter rebar 1/2-inch would be used to tie in all the vertical supports going into the pool at 1-foot spacing. Notice that the supports are all loose. It's easier to install the horizontal 1/2-inch rebar around the perimeter of the pool when the supports are loose in the hole. Once they're all tied, then all those supports are epoxied. Then the vertical supports are tied to that perimeter horizontal rebar, as you can see. After the vertical supports are tied to the horizontal bar, then the excess of the support is cut off. You don't need all that extra steel. A grid is created by tying the 3/8 rebar at 1-foot spacing around the entire pool. Cutting the excess on the supports, cut them to size. The process of trimming steel continues. The old pool shell is cut to install the light cans. A hammer drill is used to cut the holes for the piping. Running the electrical conduit for the light can. Cutting the old shell to remove the old drain. The old shell is cut to a depth so that a new drain line can be installed. There's the new drain. That drain line will be covered with the shotcrete. The red string is the shotcrete thickness target. The shell gets a final wash to get ready for the shotcrete.